with Andre. So this is BTCU. We have not had any introductions from them yet. However, BTCU, it's a very interesting platform that is currently on testnet, right? And so Andre will be talking more about this and then about the challenges, right, which the developers can actually get win awards for finding vulnerability, right? Again, you know, with the community, what we do is we try to see projects and then we see, hey, can we de-risk projects, right? And then have people look through the codes, see if they can find vulnerabilities. Because again, this is one of the biggest problems. If there are vulnerabilities in codes, right, then we end up having you know, cases where there could be hacks or something like that. Because again, everything that we have in blockchain is essentially a trustless ecosystem where we believe the codes. So I will leave it to Andre to talk more about the BTCU platform and why it's important. It's a new fork of Bitcoin that is yet to be rolled out and why it's important, and then why the participants should work on it, and then why it's good for the ecosystem. Thank you, Andre.
Hi, can you hear me? Yes, everything is okay?
Yeah, everything is perfect.
Yes, my name is Andrei Saranenko, and I am Operation Director of Bitcoin Ultimatum. And yes, now I talk about the BTCU project and actually what is going on cryptocurrency market actually right now, yes. Let's now I demonstrate the screen, okay?
Yes, please, you can.
That is okay, yes?
Perfect, yeah.
So I think that will be fine.
Yeah, everything is perfect. We can see you and then, right?
Yes, right. So okay, let's wait a second, please. Wait a second. So it's okay, yes?
Yep, it's good.
Right. So what is the Bitcoin Ultimatum? Yes, it's a next generation Bitcoin fork actually. It combines the best ideas and achievements of the crypto world. It's a decentralized ecosystem with a smart contract and anonymous transactions. The Bitcoin fork with a new mining algorithm, the BTCU, based on leasing proof of stake combines with proof of authorization. High bandwidth as well is many innovative solution which we provide for our users. And at the moment, we are preparing for the release, and soon we will present our fork to the broader cryptocurrency audience. So let's, I describe the projects. Actually, in the market, cryptocurrency market now is development of the crypto industry is collectively linked with the development of blockchain technologies. And at the moment, the market is situated with several protocols, algorithm, and blockchain concepts that have contributed to the development of a wide range of services and application, offering users an alternative to both established financial system, applications, and service infrastructures. For example, the rapid development of decentralization, the popularity and continued growth is DeFi. DeFi segment opens up new opportunities for both businesses and users in the form of decentralized application for the exchange cryptocurrency and the development of financial service in the P2P. The rapid development has created a number of challenges that the entire crypto industry is now facing. The major problems and challenges facing in the industry are, well, the first of all, the level of transaction privacy, yeah? And the next and maybe a main problem of the crypto world now is that centralization is a big problem really now. But the next one is the efficient development of basic technologies in blockchain, the longer transaction time associated with the higher transaction fees, lack of comprehensive ecosystem in the industry. Actually, the big problem, the actually no big ecosystem which has all advantages of the cryptocurrencies which users can use to for anything actually, but in the one ecosystem. So let's go one by one. And the transaction privacy level, actually transaction anonymity is an old problem in the crypto world. However, there are very few projects that provide maximum privacy opportunities for user signs. Most cryptocurrency projects neglect this element entirely. With the development of modern technologies and the increased interest of society in blockchain technologies, in particular, the anonymity in the blockchain network becomes doubtful. Many networks already permit users to fully decode the chain of transaction from the moment of coin creation to the address where is currently located. The reason is the very structure of the blockchain, which is open actually. And lack of anonymity raises doubts about the foundation principle of blockchain as technology, which was required to use by Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of the first blockchain network actually. Blockchain is undoubtedly the best solution for anonymization, but questions is completely open now. Yes, it's not all full privacy right now. But the big problem in the market, perhaps one of the most prevalent problems is the network centralization. Decentralization is a long-standing market solution as protection against centralized projects and market manipulation, but many decentralized projects inevitably become centralized. It's nice to think that nobody controls a particular blockchain and network members act as a decentralized community that serves the blockchain and choose the direction of its further development. However, is not quite the case, actually. In the case of popular cryptocurrency using classical mining protocols, the equipment requirements are high even for simple information review on the blockchain. This leads to a situation where only companies with a large number of high performance miners can effectively create new blocks, as in the case of proof of work algorithm, which leads to centralized mining. It's a big problem, really. However, even if you have modern equipment that can quickly proceed blocks, your network channel may not be wide enough for faster synchronization with the network, or if some additional condition is in the case of proof of stake algorithm, the number of coins on the node balance is an essential creation for effective mining in the network. The issue of centralization has become a matter of growing concern, as it requires alternative solution to and consensus to address. The next thing is the popularization of the DeFi. Yes, in case of popularization of the DeFi, which has become widely used on Ethereum network, has led to a significant increase in transaction fees and slowdown of the network leads to an increase and fees of the network. Actually, this factor and increase in the number of transactions in the network leads an increase in load and fees in the network. Each validator's not quite up all unconfirmed transaction. So that is first confirms transaction with high commission. Obviously, transaction that fall at the end of the query may remain unconfirmed for a long time. The consequence of the unacceptance increase in the flow of the transaction is that the likely list of transaction awaiting to be recorded in the network. This is not only leads to manipulate the increase in transaction fees, but also destabilize the network through the accumulating of dependent transactions. So what's the solution? The answer to each of that problems are already available on the market, but what we can choose? Currently, there is no coherent ecosystem on the market that would allow users to get a solution to one of the problems without sacrificing something else. Let's go one by one. Actually, anonymity. The most common solution to this problem is to use coin mixing service and add-ons that mix transaction of many users to hide the true history of transactions. However, such service suffer from a number of shortcomings as they need to be trusted in the coin return and maintain anonymity in the algorithm of the service. Moreover, a hacked off molecular service does not provide anonymity. The real solution to the anonymity problem in the blockchain protocols world is using protocols for anonymous transaction. The main advantages is the implementation of such solution in the network of the blockchain protocol as a native solution. This allows users to use them as normal types of transaction in the network and provide highest level of security. Example of such protocols Zero Coin protocol and CryptoNote and Zcash Snarks. This is the best solution for anonymity right now. The next solutions, yes, of the big problem is transaction speed and commissions. The biggest aspect of the affects the speed of transaction for many cryptocurrencies is their fixed block limit. Almost every blockchain protocol has limit on the numbers of transactions per second they can perform at a given time, which cause a lot of hurt database between developers and users in the crypto world. Such restriction defined by the consensus of the protocol and this principle of operation, such as mining or other aspects of it. But two basic aspects are fundamental in the issue of capacity of the protocol and commission. The principle of forming the new blocks and the principle of mining new coins, which in most protocol are the same function. To solve this problem is necessary to form novel approach to these fundamental issues. The next is the development of basic technologies. Yes, actually, the really big problem because the reason of the inefficient scalability of the application of blockchain technologies is the inability of individual blockchain protocols to interact with each other. For example, to perform transaction between Bitcoin and Ethereum network is extremely limited, mainly because different blockchains use different protocols, algorithms, and security procedures. Different campaigns use the same blockchain protocols to solve same problems and cannot apply the same solution to other problems with which is the reason they do not use blockchain technologies in separate processes. Development of the possibility to interaction of different blocks protocol will provide an opportunity of mass introduction of this technology into business and social processes. As a result, the development of anonymous transaction protocol solves most of problem of network anonymization and solving the problem of capability of different protocol blocks will give an enormous boost to the mass application of the technologies, and the departure from the classical models of mining for extraction of cryptocurrency and the formation of the new block will make it possible to reduce commission and increase the speed of transaction, which will undoubtedly leads to an increase in the blockchain popularity. Following the example of other in other industries, actually, cryptocurrency is moving toward creating a unified infrastructure which contains all the preferred technologies and solutions without the need to sacrifice anything. So, what's the solution on the example of our BTCU fork? We can easily see this in the rapidly growing number of forks and the creation of more and more new projects trying to solve the problems of previous ones. The role of forks in the blockchain in the blockchain world, yes, an evolution role, allowing the industry to reach new heights and offer solutions that move the entire crypto industry forward. As Bitcoin fork, BTCU combines the experience of previous projects and perfect technologies. BTCU has its own Ultimatum proof of stake consensus algorithm based on leasing proof of stake combines with the best proof of authorization solutions. The new decentralized algorithm solves not only the problems of the main types of mining, but it reduces transaction fees while increasing transaction speed, which also supports leasing. Leasing is an excellent alternative to classical mining and is the basis for network decentralization. The integration of Ethereum virtual machine technologies into the BTCU network allows the implementing smart contract on the well-known Solidity, provides enormous opportunity for tokenization project or actually DeFi implementation. Give its flexibility and scalability on the Ethereum platform is leader in the DeFi application actually, but that doesn't mean it's the one blockchain platform. High commission problems with technical support of nodes, oversupply of contract and centralization of the network, which is one of the most terrible thing for modern project, forced us to look for alternative solution, or which is one which is BTCU. Is actually BTCU is based on zero coin protocol 2, the technology that allows direct anonymous payments between parties. Private transaction exists alongside non-anonymous transaction. each user can convert non-anonymous BTCU, which we call ZBTCU actually, to anonymous coins. Users can then send it to other users and split or combine the coins they own in the way that maintains the overall value. Users can also convert private coins, that BTCU to BTCU, and reverse, yes, without any problem. This is an excellent alternative to crypto mixers and similar solution because it provides a much higher level of privacy. Combining the solution with further integration of atomic swaps for exchange of all of types of BTCU coins within a single network provides an excellent basis of additional development and creation of compliant, decentralized, and crypto ecosystem. So actually, that's intro. Yes, that's the main thing of BTCU, and our goal, yes, in Hackathon, and our goal actually before the launch of the project is find all vulnerabilities and solution of them, yes, to make our platform more safety, more stabilize all aspects of our blockchain, because we combine much of technologies. Yes, it's privacy, it's zero coin protocols, it's leasing, it's our new consensus, and we need someone who help us to check, yes, actually fresh mind, yes, which can help us to fix it all, yes, and give to the world the best solution of blockchain technologies. Actually, in the smart contract, the best and the big one thing which we need and want users test, because it's actually technologies which in the level like Ethereum network, yes, and actually it's not the one, but it's really cool to test. And our new consensus, Ultimatum proof of stake, it's something new, yes, which combine leasing and base it on leasing actually, and we want to test it. So you can check our build by in github.com. It's you just can go here and you will receive all description how to all our build, yes. Then you can go to check our RPC API. Then actually you have all the link, and we provide to you all the link and documentation. If you have some problems, or you can have access, or you can connect, yes, or you have some problems, or something else happened with you, you can contact us and request to hackathon btcu.io, and we will also support any issues in the Discord. I'm and our team answer to all your questions and provide all requirement and information to you if you want to ask, or don't worry, please ask and give. We want to discuss and find new solutions for our platform. So you can check it like this, yes, PDF file that describe all our task, yes, is searching for vulnerability in the BTCU test. Actually, we have some rules, yes, which we do not think there are in the test net. Actually, all of this is test net. Vulnerabilities are not considered in the in test network is any attack related to the server resources or server architecture vulnerabilities or GUI bugs and interface related issues. Yes, it's not a big problem in the testnet, and we know such bugs, yes, in testnets which work with it, and it's just testnet, mainnet, and production version which we prepared already is much of problem fixed, but we need to find financial vulnerabilities, yes, which may risks for users by financial in financial sphere. Actually, the next you have all links to not write this. Yeah, you just copy in the PDF file, not in presentation. All requirements and description of how to build and to launch the node. Yes, how to connect. And actually IPs of validation node and seed node, which you can use to help us to find a solution. Actually, that's the thing, that's all. I hope it was interesting for you. All questions you can answer to me in the Discord, yes, or in the mail. So, Giri, are you here?
Yeah, hey, thank you, Andre, for talking us through the BTCU platform, which essentially is still on testnet. I mean, however, it's a very good time for you to start, having all the tests, all the bounty tests, vulnerability